All right, guys, I got asked the question, what surprised me most about prison? Well, I'm going to tell you right now, as you can see on here, is the things you can buy in prison. I always thought prison was like bare minimum, you don't get much, and you're stuck in a cell getting the bare minimum of anything. This slide together, about put together, it ain't going to be exact, but if you stick around until the end, I have one that's almost to a T on what you can get and walk you guys through it. But it surprised me because you can get radios, TVs, depending on what level you're at. I was in maximum security, which from my understanding is maximum security. Medium security is like 2-man cells. And then the lower levels are open dorms to where you have like a community day room. But I was in maximum security, so what I was able to get might be a lot different than what everybody else was able to get. It's a store within the facility, in case you guys didn't know what commissary is. That's how you order whatever you plan to buy with your money on your books, which money on your books is the money people send you. Like, here's some few things you can get. Food and snacks, the most popular buy, which everybody tries to pile up on. Damn fly. Mainstays, Build Real Meals, ramen noodles. Everybody knows that that's a thing, but it's usually ramen noodles in the bag, not a thing like that. Them are more expensive. Canned tuna and chicken, beef sausage, pepperoni, Spam pouches, refried beans, instant rice, tortillas, cheese spreads, peanut butter. I mean, you can get it all. People buy this, and a lot of them will buy it and make things to sell, which that's another video I'll make on how people make money in there. But snacks, chips, crackers, candy bars, cookies, popcorn, cereal, oatmeal. You can get honey, you can get hot sauce, spices. You get 6 packs of pop. You get powdered drink mix, which is usually like some Tang or some Kool-Aid. You get hot chocolate, tea. You get instant coffee, which is a must-have in there. Everybody has instant coffee. And then as far as your personal hygiene, they sell things like bar soap, body wash, deodorant, toothpaste, lotions. Then you can get your basic clothing items, your t-shirts, your boxers, thermals. Everybody has thermals in there. You get your tube socks. You can buy a pair of gym shorts, a pair of sweatpants. Almost everybody has a pair of sweatpants. That's a must-have in there instead of wearing your uniform all the time. Usually people only wear their uniform. The only time you have to wear your uniform is if you're out of your dorm, if you're out of your block. Shower shoes, that's a must-have. You don't want to be taking a shower where everybody's been in there doing their business. If you guys would, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. And then you got your pens, papers, and postage, which is called stationery. You get your line paper, your envelopes, your greeting cards, pens. Damn fly. Pens, pencils, postage stamps. Because you want to have your letters was how I killed most of my time. I'd spend all day writing a letter. I'd go into as much detail as possible when I wrote my letters too. Like I would send 5-6 page letters. You can get radios, headphones, TVs. Where I was at, they didn't have tablets. Entertainment, that always helps pass time. Yeah, you get your little flat screen TV. It's clear, like it's made out of clear. The whole frame, you can see the inside computer board and all that. You can get you a little set of headphones, or you can get them big set. Then you get you a radio. And there's special programs. I don't know nothing about that. This is just a little presentation I tried to put together. People on the outside can order your commissary for you. And they always have a certain amount. I can't remember how much it was, but you're only allowed to spend so much every commissary day. But I had $50. My sister sent me $50 every 2 weeks. And that made it to where I didn't have to go to chow at all. I was able to stay in my dorm and eat, make my own food. So yeah, the most thing that surprised me the most about prison was what all you can get. And it's crazy the amount of things you can get. I got a little list here that's more realistic. I'm about to show you guys. Gives you about a rough estimate of the prices. All right, guys, here's a list. This is more realistic right here. This is about what the commissary prices are close to, if they ain't the exact same prices. But yeah, this is what all you can buy in there. You get your stamps, get your ice cream. That's on ice cream always was on a special day. Like they had it certain time of year. It was like a once in a year thing. Get your boxer briefs. They're about $8 for a 2-pack. Get your gloves. You get you a cap. Usually it's a green cap, just a plain green baseball cap you can get. Like I said, you can get your sweats. You can get your thermal shirts. Get you some shower shoes. Shower shoes are real cheap. They're like plastic slippers or flip-flops, I should say, more like. And then you can get food. You get your oatmeals, your cereals. You can get your teas, your milk, carnation powder. Get some hot cocoa. You get your Tang, you get the Kool-Aid. Then you get your Colombian coffee. Coffee, like I said, that's a must-have. Everybody has their coffee in there. Drinks, cappuccino. You get your dairy creamer, $1.05 each. Then your hygiene, you can get bandages, shower caps, brush, comb set. Get some earplugs, which is them is a must-have in there. You gotta get you some earplugs or you won't sleep. Fingernail clippers, scissors, tweezers, ponytail holders. People use them for all different things. You know that, like I said, people in there come up with some genius ideas for things. But yeah, you can get microwave popcorn because there's always a microwave. Where I was at in maximum security, there was a microwave and an ice machine. So you can get ice, you can get to use the microwave. That's what surprised me about it. Because in the county jail, you don't have none of this. County jail, you're just in there doing idle time with nothing. You don't get, there's no ice machine, there is no microwave. So now I understand. In my last video, or one of my earlier videos, they said, like I said, I couldn't understand why people in jail were saying, oh, I can't wait to get to prison, blah, blah, blah. I see why. They would rather be in prison because there's more stuff to occupy your time. Tops, thermal shirts, shaving bag, dental floss. You can buy coloring pencils, a mirror, which is just like a plastic mirror. It's only, I don't know, probably 8 inches or so by 4 inches. You get some soles in jail, soles. Orthopedic arch support. You can get mouthwash, toothpaste. You know, people got dentures, they get their polygrip. You get your shampoo, conditioners, your bar soaps, hand sanitizer, which you want some of that because there's some dirty people in there. Dirty people. Get you a deck of cards, buy you a little address book. You want to have a cereal bowl, a cup. You can buy AAA batteries, which you need them. Them come in handy for your headphones. And not only that, people use them that's what we will run some people use them to run their tattoo guns. Some people use electric to run the tattoo guns. Get your pins. Get you a little sewing kit, patch up your stuff because you're going to have it for a long time. Get you some sunglasses. Get you a coffee mug, water bottles. You always got to have, like I said, you want to have your white envelopes, your manila envelopes for legal papers. Get you a dictionary so when you write your letters, you know what you're spelling your words right, especially if it's got something to do with court, motions and things. That'll be another video I'll make. I filed people's motions in there for money, filed for sentence modifications in there for money. When I got out, I filed for somebody to get their shit expunged to where now they're a felon. They ain't no longer listed as a felon. They was able to get their handgun permit. You can get things like peanut butter, meat pouches, minced onions, which is dried out. You can get you some laundry soap. Most people make it. They come every morning. Where I was at, they would come and give you laundry soap like they do in the jail. Every so many times a week, the jail will come and put up styrofoam cups with laundry soap in it. But the way most people did it was just in the jail, they would just use their own, hot water, let water dissolve the bar soap, mix that in with the laundry soap and make more of it. In jail, you have to wash your clothes in a bucket. Everybody shares a 5-gallon bucket. So one person might have it Monday, and then when they're done, they put it in their room. Next person to grab it, and you do all your laundry in a bucket. Hand wash that. In prison, you have a laundry bag. It's a mesh laundry bag that everybody comes around at nighttime, and then they do laundry every night. And that was my job in prison. I was the laundry guy, which I liked it because it let me be out at night when everybody was locked down. I got to work from like 11 or 12 at night till like 4 or 5 in the morning. I got it come in handy because you got free range in your dorm. Well, everybody's locked down, so some people say, "Hey, tonight at laundry, I need you run this over here to such and such," or how much you charge me to take this to him? So you make money moving stuff. You ain't supposed to, but you can. That's the freedom of being on laundry. But you can get all kinds of chips, tuna, mackerel. Your antacids, your Tums, your Zantac, get some laxatives, get acne cream, fungal powder. I mean, you can get it all. And then the radios, the radios are pretty expensive. Like $37-40 for a little radio, a handheld radio. Then your headphones, they're $20 a piece. Or you can get ear pads and earbuds. Earbuds, they're $13 or so. Get you a watch if you want. Get you a little book LED light for your book. Get you a combination lock so you can lock your tote. Because you get a tote when you go to prison. It's a tote you keep all your commissary in. It slides up under the bed. That's a must-have. Get you a combination lock. You can get calculators. You can get birthday cards, gift cards. Not gift cards, but cards for gifts. Make it happy birthday, put you something in it, make them a cheap little thoughtful card. But other than that, that's pretty much the list right there, guys. That's a lot when you're inside there, I'll tell you that now. Having commissary, having money to buy commissary, it makes your time go quick. I think the TV was like $200. It's not on this list. This ain't the exact list from the prisons that I was at, but it's almost identical to how things are. But yeah, TV, I think it's like $200 or so, $250. It's pretty expensive. It's up there. But like I said, it's a little bitty, like a 13-inch flat screen. It's clear, so you can see through. And then the little radios, they're clear and see through. Yeah, I mean, that's what surprised me the most about prison. How much stuff, like people have Mountain Dew, Coke, Pepsi. It's like, man, ice machine. People make ice cream out of using the ice and Debbie snacks and make these ice cream cakes. I'll get into that on the next video. Somebody asked me how people make money in prison. Well, that right there is it. That and drugs, obviously. People have Suboxone strips snuck in, but I'll get into that on another video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Drop your questions. Questions help me make a better video. This way I know what people is wanting to know about it or interested. And it don't have to be all about prison. Believe me, I don't like talking about prison all that much. So I don't care to answer questions about it, but you can ask me about my addiction. You can ask me about what it's like being on the run, how many close calls I had. I mean, I got my own things I'll make videos about, but I prefer to answer questions. Yes, I've had some close calls while I was on the run. But yeah, my addiction, it was a big process to get over that, especially shooting up. So, but with that being said, guys, I hope that gives you a good idea of what all you can get inside prison. I mean, the question was what surprised me the most about prison, and that was it. Was how much stuff you can get, how comfortable they allow you to get. That's what I mean. There's some people who thrive in prison. They live better in prison than they did on the streets. To them, it's like being in college. That's the best way I can describe it, really. Overall, it's like a college dorm. And it goes, and there's enough fruits in there where you ain't get out of a. Damn it, I'm saying that word and I ain't supposed to be saying it on there. I'm gonna have to edit all that out. But anyway, with that being said, guys, that's all I got for this video. Throw your questions in the comments. I'll answer them. I'll at least reply to you. So with that being said, that's it. That's all I got for you on this one. Till next time, see ya.